Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best domino grips is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of playing dominoes. A proper grip significantly impacts your precision, comfort, and overall game performance, allowing for smoother tile handling and strategic maneuvering, ultimately boosting your game and leading to more wins. This video will explore different grip techniques and help you find the perfect one to elevate your domino game. Number 5. Domino A010 MotoGP Grips. Experience superior control and comfort on your motorcycle. These grips are designed for peak performance. They provide exceptional grip in all conditions, enhancing your riding experience. Feel the difference from the moment you install them. Engineered for precision and durability, they're built to withstand the rigors of racing. Enjoy long-lasting performance. These grips boast a stylish design inspired by MotoGP racing. They'll look great on your bike. With a precise 126mm length, they offer a comfortable and secure fit. Installation is quick and easy. Take your riding to the next level with superior grip and control. Upgrade your bike today. What we like. It boasts a unique 126mm length with open ends, a design choice not found in many competitors. If you value precision control and need that extra length for optimal hand placement, this is the perfect fit. This grip is ideal for racers who prioritize feel and responsiveness. What people say. These look really nice and feel even better. I can't even describe how grippy they feel. Recommend them for sure. The material and quality is great. They have been on for 2 months/400 miles grom. They have worn better over time and almost feels like too much grip. I was looking for a new set of grips for my race bike and read these are the choice of most MotoGP riders and I see why. They are a firm grip, ultra grippy. Just what needed for next year's series. Number 4. Domino Racing A250 Grips. Experience superior control and comfort on your motorcycle with these high-performance grips. They're designed to enhance your riding experience and provide excellent grip in all conditions. These grips offer exceptional grip, keeping your hands secure even during aggressive riding. Feel the difference in precision and stability. Enjoy a more comfortable ride with the ergonomic design of these grips. They reduce hand fatigue, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. Built to last, these grips are made from high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of road racing. They are designed for long-lasting performance. These grips are designed for universal fitment, making them compatible with a wide range of motorcycles. Easily upgrade your bike's handling and comfort. Upgrade your motorcycle with Domino Racing A250 grips and feel the difference. They're the perfect choice for racers and riders who demand the best. What we like. Its universal design makes it compatible with a wide range of motorcycles. If you're looking for a reliable and adaptable grip for road racing, this is a great option. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of frequent use. What people say. They fit very snug but have held up so far, so pretty durable. The yellows match almost perfectly, and the grips seem very nice and are comfortable. Overall outside diameter is a bit smaller and rubber is definitely more grippy than stock. The blue matches the 40th pretty good. Number 3. Domino A240 Trials Grips. Experience superior control and comfort with these innovative grips. They're designed to enhance your riding experience, providing the perfect blend of grip and feel. These grips utilize a dual compound design. This provides exceptional grip in all conditions, keeping your hands secure and confident. The ergonomic design ensures all-day comfort. It reduces hand fatigue, allowing you to focus on the trail ahead. Built to last, they can withstand the rigors of trials riding. They're made from high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. Installation is quick and easy, so you can get back to riding in no time. They're designed for a secure fit and simple setup. These grips are specifically designed for trials riding. They offer the precise control and feedback you need to conquer any challenge. What we like. The dual compound material provides exceptional grip in various conditions. If you are a trials rider who needs superior control and feel, then this is your best bet. Its unique design enhances your performance on challenging terrains. What people say. Quality grips as are all Domino products. Compre per sostituir lo originale del gas 300 TXT Pro. Di diametro leggermente più grande lo ho trovate molto commode. Ser gut und echt griffage griff. Number 2. Domino MotoGP Grips G2. These grips are the top choice for MotoGP teams. Experience the same superior performance and control. They're crafted with pride in Italy by Domino Racing, ensuring the highest quality and precision. Used by more MotoGP teams than any other grip, it delivers exceptional grip and feel. At 126mm, 5 inches, they're sold in pairs and fit all 7/8, 22mm, handlebars with twist throttles. Experience the ultimate in motorcycle grip and control. Upgrade your ride today. These grips are a favorite among professional riders. Get the winning edge. What we like. It's the preferred choice of numerous MotoGP teams, a testament to its quality and performance. If you appreciate premium craftsmanship and demand the best, this is the grip for you. Its compatibility with 7/8 handlebars makes it a versatile choice for many motorcycles. What people say. Very good quality and heavy duty. Very soft grip and comfortable. Easy to install on my Yamaha R7. Feels great on the hands. They're really easy to slide on. They haven't moved a bit. They're super comfortable. They look great. Number 1. Domino MotoGP Grips G2. These aren't just grips, they're the choice of top MotoGP teams. Experience the same superior performance and control. Crafted with pride in Italy by Domino Racing, these grips represent quality and precision engineering. Used by more MotoGP teams than any other grip, it delivers exceptional grip and feel. At 126mm, 5 inches, they're designed to fit all 7/8-inch, 22mm, handlebars with twist throttles. They come in pairs, ready to upgrade your ride. Upgrade your motorcycle's handling with these superior grips. Feel the difference in control and performance. Installation is straightforward, ensuring a quick and easy upgrade to your motorcycle. What we like. This grip is favored by top MotoGP teams, a clear indication of its superior quality. If you are a serious rider who wants the best performance, this is a must-have. Its perfect fit for 7/8 handlebars ensures compatibility with a wide range of bikes. What people say. Very good quality and heavy duty. Very soft grip and comfortable. Easy to install on my Yamaha R7. Feels great on the hands. They're really easy to slide on. They haven't moved a bit. They're super comfortable. They look great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.